Guys, this is just part one of the remote control car weekend. This is just practice today. Tomorrow's racing. You might have already seen a YouTube short about this. Hopefully it'll be up by now. But yeah, it's a bit wet. My dad's just practicing now. He's the one over there somewhere. He's there, and yeah, it's quite a nice day out today. And then it tipped it down. Nice Formula 1 car, there's Dad. It's a nice truck as well, didn't realise that. In a minute. Let's just get a car to the field. I've got a marshal at the same time as filming this, so it's a bit tricky. Oh, car. Sorry about me not talking a bit. Look at the truck. Oh wow. Nice F1 car that. Oh, truck again. That truck is insane. This one's a fast one as well. And there's my dad. That one's a bit fast.